Welcome to Chiro World. We upload a variety of chiropractic adjustment videos to educate our viewers on the health benefits of chiropractic care. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
As you breathe out, just like the other adjustments, I'm going to follow your breath, and then we're going to pull in this direction like that. So let's give it a try. Deep breath in and out.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I was not expecting that.
Breathe.
I don't know, I'm gonna cry. Oh my gosh. People normally cry after that.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
To book an appointment with these chiropractors, you can check the link in the description.
That's like such relief. That's like a major shift. Are we doing that again?
No.
Oh, okay, good. Holy crap. It like really hurt and it felt really good at the same time. It's crazy because if you like don't get adjusted, you like lose your grounding. And then everything gets screwed up then. I feel like it's so even. That's so weird. You like don't realize how much weight you're putting on one side until you... Wow.
Thank you for watching. We hope that you found this video informative. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable videos like this. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.